everything seem plain and boring to you? We know a few easy ways of how to change it. What about a full lip-shaped stress reliever? Let's see how to make a fidget spinner of the lip shape and check if it works well. Let's get started. Make a template. Trace it on thick cardboard. We'll need 2 of the same details. Make the lips bright red. Trace the template on color paper. Make 2 details. We'll need 4 cardboard circles. Prick them in the center. Hot glue per 2. Smooth the edges with a nail file or fine sandpaper. Place the circle pad on the lip center and pass it through. Hot glue 2 coins to the lip sides. The fidget spinner with an extra load will spin faster. Attach the second cardboard lip detail on top. Now you can add the color. Repeat on the other side. Smooth the edges. Prick the central hole. Let's add some gloss using an interesting art technique, embossing. Ink the lips. Just press the fidget spinner against the embossing ink pad. Sprinkle clear embossing powder. It's white when dry. Shake off the excess. Heat it with a heat gun and watch the magic begin. You can use a powerful hairdryer, keeping in mind it will take more time for the stuff to start melting. You can see it melt. It will go from fuzzy looking to smooth and glossy. The coating resists water, making the cardboard look like laminated thin plastic. To make the coat thicker, add another layer in the same order. It's an incredible art technique. Widen the hole with a big nail. Make the central bearing using the cardboard circle pads and a toothpick. Put them on both sides. Perfect! Fasten with stationery glue. Cut off the excess. Smooth with the file. Define the lip outline. Ink the edges. Sprinkle with golden powder. Shake off. Heat to melt. Shade the central pad edges with a black marker. Cover it with a black circle. Repeat for the other side. Add some gloss. Add golden glow. Test it. Cool! The lip-shaped fidget spinner will help you focus and stop fidgeting, and you'll be the only one to have it. Besides, we've tested a new art technique. It looks cute, but it's not compulsory. You can make your fidget spinner just from the cardstock and paper without using embossing for extra gloss. Do you feel like making emerald-tinted sand? If yes, go ahead. Pour 2 ounces of white glue into a bowl. Add emerald acrylic paint. Mix well until smooth. Take a wooden stick and watch the paint gradually mixing with the glue. When the color is smooth, add a tablespoon of laundry detergent and Persil color gel. Mix well. Add another tablespoon of the gel and watch the mixture thickening up. It's becoming thick and a bit stretchy. Now the sand, we'll add it in half-glass portions. Put in the first portion. Mix well to avoid lumps. Add another half a glass. Now it's becoming harder to stir, but we still managed to mix the ingredients. Add more sand. There are 1.5 glasses already, but the mixture can still be stirred easily. It's not thick enough. Add another sand portion. Now the mixture has hardened up. Put the stick away and start kneading with your hands. To make the job easier, place the dough-like stuff onto the table. Knead it well to mix in the sand. It's a nice stress reliever, by the way. Just knead it and feel your stress fade away. Wow! Fabulous! The emerald sand has a kinetic-like quality. It's soft and stretchy. It is so fun to squish and form into shapes in your hands. It is also very moldable, making it great for modeling. It combines dough and slime features. Let's test it. Stuff the silicone mold with the emerald sand. Turn it over and tap on top. Press over the molds. Cool! The sand sticks to itself and keeps shape. You can see every detail imprinted clearly. It's even better than the wet beach sand. If you cut it out, it doesn't crumble, but stretches like the slime. If you press the sand, you can mold again anything you wish. We can easily use the emerald kinetic sand as the material for molding and a good stress reliever. You'll definitely enjoy kneading it with your hands. It's incredibly soft and stretchy. You can mold the sand into shapes that it can keep well. It has a kinetic-like quality sticking to itself. It's a big advantage over regular sand because you can play with it indoors without making a sandy mess. That's what we have made it for. It's an awesome idea that really works. It's time for a soft remedy. This fluffy pink kitten can calm down anyone and relieve any stress. Let's turn an old pencil case into a cute little kitten. We'll need pink yarn. Wrap it around a ruler to cover the case length. Squeeze a strip of hot glue across the case. Attach the ruler edge. Cut out the thread across the other edge. Repeat several times to cover the entire surface. The pencil case has turned fluffy. Cut out felt ears. Add other details of a kitten face, eyelashes, a nose, a mouth, and the middle of ears. Attach face details to the pencil case. Done! We give the cutie to our nervous teacher. Oh, Miss Smith looks happy. Be careful not to turn into a crazy cat lover. My roommate applies her mascara and oops, an incident known to everyone happens. The eye makeup is spoiled. What should she do? She can't go anywhere with such makeup. The life stops here. Calm down. I've got a stress reliever. It's my favorite makeup brush. Pull a balloon onto a funnel. Fill it with flour. Put in a little makeup brush. Wind cord around the balloon to fasten the brush. Cover the balloon with white glue. Sprinkle with glitter. Fasten the glitter with hairspray. I give my brush to my friend. When you squeeze the ball, it seems you've got soft snow in your hands. It crunches just like snow, but your hands don't get cool and it doesn't melt. It calms you down. Besides, you can remove the eyeliner problem with the brush, and it's a nice stress reliever. Can I take your eyeshadow? It's so beautiful and soft and colorless. What's wrong with it? Is it spoiled? No, the young prankster opens her secret. It's no eyeshadow, but a stress reliever. Mix bath foam with starch. Knead the slime. Divide it into 3 parts. Add food coloring in each. Knead 3 colored balls. Take an empty eyeshadow palette. Put slime eyeshadow in each section. Take it from the palette and knead it in your hands. You can play with it all day long. Your eyes will sparkle with joy without any makeup. And finally, make a pearl slime by following a classic recipe. It'll work in any condition. Pour half a bottle of white glue, about 4 ounces. Add some pearl acrylic paint. Stir until well mixed. Add more paint to make it brighter. Pour glitter to make it sparkle. Fabulous! Continue stirring. Add more glitter to get a wow effect. The last ingredient is solidifier. Add borax little by little. Stir until solids start to form. Add a bit more borax. Wow! It's getting thicker. We've stirred in a 1/3 ounce of borax overall. The slime is nearly ready. Knead it by hand. Now, rinse it under lukewarm water. Let's test the pearl slime. It looks cool. It doesn't stick to hands and it stretches well. but it easily tears apart. Perhaps it's because we added too much borax. We can stretch it just a bit. Leave the Perl Slime in a closed container for a few hours. Sometime later, the slime is pressed over flat so that you can cut figures from it. It's still flexible, but firm. You can smush it and stretch it. Join us and subscribe to make awesome stuff together.